Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video blurry on Capcut. So here is my video and I want to add some blurry effect on my video. And to do that, the first step that you need to do is go to the effects menu at the bottom toolbar, and then click on video effects. And then here you can just go to the basic tab and then slide down until scroll down until you find the blur effect. There are some blurry effect that you can use. The first is motion blur, like this, and there is also a pixel blur, like so, and also the slanted blur, and the blur close, like this, and there is also the blurry focus, like this, and there is blur, just blur, and you can adjust the intensity of the blur effect, like this. For example, like that, and you can just click on check when you're done adding the blur effect. You can also adjust the duration of the effects. You can just drag this down to the left or to the right, like this. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can add some blurry effect or how to make a video blurry on Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.